Namaste. You're coming closer and closer to the end of our 30-day yoga challenge. So today I want to talk about what happens next. You might have already noticed that from day to day, your yoga practice is a little bit different. Sometimes you feel super energized, strong, and the asanas come easy. Sometimes you feel tired, exhausted, and your muscles are sore. Sometimes your thoughts are running wild and you struggle to concentrate. Sometimes you easily go within and meditate. Sometimes you're really motivated, maybe a little competitive even, and you push yourself into challenging postures. And sometimes you just surrender and relax. Sometimes a lot of emotions are coming to the surface. Sometimes you have to force yourself a little bit to practice yoga. And other times you can't wait to get on the mat. These fluctuations of the body, the mind, the emotions are happening every single day, whether we practice yoga or not. But we can meet these fluctuations and find more peace and steadiness within by having a constant practice. By coming back to our yoga mat time and time again. When we practice yoga every single day, we can observe these fluctuations much more clearly. We can see how the mind operates and that we are more than the mind, more than our thoughts, our emotions, and our bodies. We can learn a lot about ourselves. But sometimes it's exactly these fluctuations, this sometimes feeling great and sometimes feeling awful and sometimes being somewhere in between, that holds us back from practicing. And we've already talked about many different things we can do to motivate ourselves on a day where we feel too lazy, too tired, too sore to practice. But now that you're moving towards the end of this challenge, I want to share one more thing. And it is making your yoga practice your own. How can you do that? By actively listening to your body and asking, what does it need? Because now you'll have the freedom to choose a practice that is exactly what you need in that very moment. If you feel tired, choose a gentle, relaxing, restorative practice like yin yoga. If you feel super activated and energized, choose something that challenges you on a physical level. If you've been really enjoying the effects of certain breathwork, pranayama, do more of that, and so on. You have the freedom to choose the practice you want in that moment. And you can still have the guidance of experienced professional teachers, all in the One Yoga online studio. In the online studio, we have hundreds of classes that you can filter according to the teacher, the style of yoga, the duration, and the level of the class to find a personalized practice that is perfect for you. You can choose from single videos on a day-to-day basis, or you can find many other challenges and courses that will take you through a certain theme or teach you a specific skill. There is so much to choose from, so I highly recommend that you go and you check out the online studio and see all we offer there to help you stick to a regular daily yoga practice, to help you improve and deepen your yoga and meditation practice, and so that you can keep feeling the amazing benefits that yoga can bring into your life. I hope that you will go and check it out, maybe today or once this challenge is over. I will see you again tomorrow. Until then, enjoy your practice and remember to listen to your body.